In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a ChatGPT conversation. So I was having a bit of back and forth with ChatGPT about who is the best tutorial channel on YouTube. If it is me, let me know in the comments. But what you can do is you can export this chat history as a PDF file with ChatGPT. Now this only works at the minute if you've just got a text conversation with ChatGPT. If you've got images, then this won't export the images. So there are a couple of ways you can do it. The way I recommend though is if you go share in the top right hand corner, once you're on your chat, you can then go ahead and create a link. And here is this link. If you go ahead and then copy this link, you can then open it in a new window. Now, once you've got it in a new window, it will just be clean and it'll be easier. So what you want to do, you want to scroll to the top and you want to start at the first letter and then highlight all of it. So you might have to scroll down for quite a long time. And once you've highlighted all of the chat, you can then right click, you can then click print, and then you can see here, save as PDF. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to more settings and we're going to make sure that we can get all of this info centered and on the screen. So by default, the margin will be on default, funnily enough. You want to change it to either none, and it should then get your text all on screen, or you can go here minimum, and again, you should then get all of your text on screen. Now, this isn't an amazing solution, but it is the only solution we've got right now because obviously you can't center this, but you can go ahead and customize the scale and you might be able to fit more text on the screen. But nonetheless, if you click save as PDF as the destination, you click save, you can then download this and it will download as a PDF file. Now, if we open this, we will see the whole chat history. So who is the best tutorial channel on YouTube? Here's the response. And then here is obviously the conversation. Now, currently, if you've got images in your chat, you can't share it. And that's why this method doesn't work for images. But for text, it works great. Let me know if you're going to use it.